Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your tile. This is the bathroom off our master bedroom, and let me show you guys the tools that I'm going to be using right now. So I'm going to be using these microfiber rags, this drill with this kitchen brush on it. It's one of those handheld brushes that you put the soap in and we just pop the top off. Found a screw and a nut that fit it, put it in the drill, and then I'm using this Method bathroom cleaner, tub and tile cleaner. And as you can see in this bathroom, look at the grout lines. They're so gross. It's so nasty. We just moved in this house and this is what it looks like. So I am going to clean it up and I'm going to show you before and after. If you guys like these videos, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and let's get going.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat and treat every freak out, singing like you know, it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. You in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the met you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone.
So here's the floor, and I just got done, and I don't know if you can tell how much better the grout lines are looking. They look so much better, and I'll probably go over this again, but it just puts me at ease knowing that I cleaned these with bleach and method, because the previous owners, they just didn't clean, I guess. I don't know, it was disgusting. But I hope you guys like this video. So I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I hope this helped you out. Maybe you'll try it. It's super easy. You just need a drill and one of those handheld dish soap things, and just break it off, and you find a screw and a nut that will fit it, and you just insert that into your drill like you would a drill bit. Also, I did use a grout brush because my battery was dying in the drill, so make sure your batteries are charged and you have backups as well. I hope this video helped you, and please like and subscribe if you're not already. I will see you guys in my next video.